morning, respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. It's me, Ankrit Kandel from grade 10 A2, standing in front of you all to deliver a short news. I hope my news will be informative to you all. So let's begin. Gold and silver prices dropped. Gold and silver prices declined in Nepal's domestic market on Friday, the final trading day of the week. Lower prices provided buyers with a better opportunity to buy precious metals on affordable price. American citizen dies in Pokhara. A 48 years old American citizen dies after suddenly collapsing while walking in Seli, Pokhara. Local residents rushed him to a nearby hospital but couldn't save him. With the daytime temperature around 100 degrees Celsius and nighttime around 21 degrees Celsius. Thought of the day: a certain darkness is needed to see the stars. Word of the day: supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Spelling supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It means which means something extremely good or wonderful. Thank you.